A very warm greeting to all the aspirants. Today, we will be talking about a very important yet the most neglected part of the UPSC examination. That is your essay paper. Essay paper has been the kingmaker in the final UPSC selection since many few years. If we analyze the few top rankers, we will realize that there is one common thing that they have scored good marks in your essay paper. But it has been said that essay paper is usually done by aspirants during the end period of your mains preparation, right? Just probably 1 month before the preparation. And more value is being given to the GS preparation, which is fine. But it is done on the expense of essay paper, which has the capability of, the capability to score around 150 to 160 marks. On the other hand, if we talk about JS paper, where your highest marks will be around 120 to 130 marks, it is written very nicely. And the thing about JS paper is there is a lot of things to cover here. And if we compare it with essay paper, you just have to develop those skills. You have to just get an idea how to structure your essay. You have to get an idea what should be the one basic framework which will work for all the essays. And given the last few years, when UPSC has started asking philosophical essays, code-based essays, essay paper has become a weakness of students, right? There is a fear to attempt those essays. So, keeping all these things in mind, we are launching a very novel program where our aim is to, first of all, develop the skills of essay writing. We will be discussing nuances of essay writing, the one framework which will help you to design any kind and write any kind of essay in your paper. We want to ensure that the fear of writing philosophical essays, code-based essays goes away. So, this program will be having very good features which will help you in the process of getting more marks in your essay paper. We will be having, first of all, mentorship, which will be provided by me. It will be a one-to-one discussion where we will try to first analyze what is your personal style of writing, plus how can we improve it to fit into the UPSC expectation from your essay. Secondly, there will be qualitative and comprehensive material for your essay preparation. We will be giving you further materials, examples, anecdotes, which you can use in your essay paper. Thirdly, we will be having tests to see that whatever we have taught in the class, how you are applying in your paper, how you are doing in the time-bound manner. Again, the checking of the paper will be done and mentored by me itself. For further details about the program, please check the description. Thank you so much. See you.